So today we will discuss in chapter kinematics some more questions. Okay, beta. So what type of questions we have in this chapter? In last class I have discussed VT graph questions. Okay. So today we will discuss another type VT graph of questions and after that VT graph questions how to draw the AT graph by the VT graph. Okay. So first of all question is this is T, this is V meter per second. Okay, this is T in second. Okay, beta. So this type of graph and do like this type. Okay, this type of graph we have VT graph, and this is 20 and this one is 10 and this one is 12 and this one is 14 and this one is 18. Okay, and this one is 22. Okay, beta. And this one is 10. Okay. So find first of all number A, distance at t is equal to 22 second, displacement at t is equal to 18 second. Okay. Next thing B, acceleration at t is equal to 11 second and t is equal to 15 second. Okay, and t is equal to t1, t2, t3 20 second. Okay, beta. Next C, write down acceleration versus time graph. Okay, beta. So how to solve this type of questions? Many things I have included in these questions. Okay. So first of all calculate distance at 22 second. So distance at 22 second. So add all areas. What will be this area? This area will be, first we are finding distance. Okay, distance at 22 second. Okay, so what is the area? Area is 10 into 20 plus half into 2 into 20 plus for this one half into 2 into 10 plus for this one what is the length? Length is 4. What is the height? Height is 10. Okay, beta, this is 10 plus, and what is the area of this one? Area of this one is half into 20 into 4. So this is the distance at 22 second. So first of all this is 200 plus this is 20 plus this is 10 plus this is 40 plus this is 40. Okay, so this one is 200, 220, 230. So calculate like this, 290 plus 20, 310 meter. Okay, so distance at 22 second is 310 meter. Okay beta, so displacement at 18 second, what will be the displacement? First of all, add positive area. What is the positive area? Positive area is this one. So what is the positive area? Positive area is 20 into 10 plus half into 2 into 20. Okay, and subtract negative area. Negative area is half 2 into 10 minus 4 into 10. Okay beta, so what is this? This is 200 and this is plus 20 and this one is minus 10, this one is minus 40. So here is 220 minus 50. Okay, so 220 minus 50 is equal to 170 meter. Okay beta, so this way we can calculate the displacement at 18 second. Okay, question number V. What is question number V? Question number V is acceleration at 11 second. So first of all we have to find where is 11 second. I think there is 11 second. Okay, this is 11. Okay, so the slope of this graph, angle theta, or here angle theta will be same because this is constant graph. Okay beta, so what is tan theta here? What is tan theta here? Tan theta is acceleration at t1 is equal to 11 second. Okay, so what is tan theta? Tan theta is, what is the perpendicular is 20 and what is the base? Base is 2. So here is 10. Okay, so this is acceleration. But here the initially the velocity is 20 and at the second or 12 the velocity will be 0. Okay, so here is deceleration is going on because velocity time graph is going to decrease with time. So here is acceleration equal to minus 10 meter per second square. Okay beta. Okay, next acceleration, rub it. So next acceleration at t is equal to what will be the time? T is equal to 15 second. Okay, so where is 15? I think here is 15 second. So velocity is constant with time. If velocity is constant with time, there is no rate of change of velocity, then acceleration is 0. What is the acceleration? Delta v upon delta t. But delta v here is 0. So obviously there is no meaning of delta t. So here is acceleration is 0 meter per second square. Okay beta, and what is the, write down the AT graph. So how to write AT graph? Okay, I am rubbing this one. I think you have note down this one. So what will be the AT graph? First of all, make it, this is T and this one will be the A. Okay, so here calculate acceleration within time period. Okay, so what will be the acceleration? 0 to 10 second. Velocity graph is constant. So here is between time acceleration is 0, between 0 to 10 second. So right here 10. Okay, Okay, so what will be the acceleration between 10 to 12 second? Between 10 to 12 second, acceleration will be within this region. The acceleration will be, what will be the acceleration? Acceleration will be minus 10. Earlier we have calculated, okay, minus 10 meter per second square. Okay, what will be the acceleration? What will be the acceleration between 12 to 14? 12 to 14 meter per second. So 12 to 14 second, acceleration will be, this is angle also theta, so tan theta equal to, this is height is 10 divided by, what will be the time period? Will be 2. Okay, and continuously with time velocity are going to decrease. With time velocity are going to decrease in negative. So here is minus 5 meter per second square. Okay, within this region at a time between 14 to 18 second, within this region acceleration will be 0 because velocity time graph is constant. Okay beta, so between 18 to 22 theta angle is this one. So what is tan theta? And the velocity point of 22 to velocity 20 to 0. Okay, velocity are going to decrease. The acceleration is, what is the height is 20. What is the time period is 4. Okay, minus 5 meter per second square because velocity are going to decrease. Okay, so here we have different time period and different type of acceleration. 0 to 10, here is 12, here is 14. Okay, so here is 18 and here is 22. Okay, so right, here is minus 5, here is minus 10, here is 5, here is 10. Okay, between time period 0 to 10 acceleration is 0. So write another type of chalk. This acceleration is 0. Okay, between the time period 10 to 12 second, acceleration is minus 10. Okay, so acceleration is minus 10. Okay beta, within the time period 12 to 14 second, what is the acceleration? Is minus 5. So here is minus 5. Okay, so what is the acceleration between 14 to 18 is 0. So here is acceleration is 0. Okay, and what is the acceleration between 18 to 22 is minus 5. So here is minus 5 acceleration. Okay beta, so this way we can write the acceleration and time graph. Okay beta, so this way we can calculate. Okay, so take another example on it and draw the AT graph. Okay beta, take another example and draw AT graph. Question number 2. What is the question? Yeah, this type of question. Okay, so here is time in second. Okay, and here is velocity in meter per second. Okay, so this is 5, this is 10, and this is 13, this is 15. Okay, and this is 19, this one is 21 second. Okay beta, so first of all find question number A. We are not calculating distance, okay, we are calculating just displacement at t is equal to 15 second, okay, and we find acceleration at t1 equal to 3 second and t2 equal to 12 second. Okay beta, and C write down acceleration versus time graph. Okay beta, so how to draw this type of graph? First of all calculate the displacement. Okay beta, first of all calculate displacement. How to calculate displacement? First of all, displacement, okay, so displacement at t is equal to 15 second, so sum up positive area and subtract negative area. What is positive area? This triangle here, this one, write down, this one is 0 and this one is 10 or this one is 20, this one is 20 meter per second. Okay, so this one, so calculate what is the displacement at 15 second. Half 5 into 20 plus 5 into 20 minus half into 3 into 10, okay, plus half into 2 into 20. This one area, positive area, okay, because we are calculating at 15 second. Okay beta, so what is this calculation? This is 10, so this is 50, this is 100, and this one minus 5 minus 15, and this one is plus 20. So what is the value? Value is 150 plus 5, 155 meter. The displacement at 15 second will be the 155 meter. Okay beta, and what is the acceleration at t1 is equal to 3 second? So this is A, and next question is B. Okay, what is t1 acceleration? T1 I think here is will be 3 second. Okay, so the angle of this graph at a time 3 second at an angle here will be same, because graph is constant increasing graph. So what is the angle theta? Theta is t1 acceleration at t1 is equal to 3 second. Okay, so here tan theta, why we are calculating tan theta? Because tan theta is v upon t. This is v upon t is acceleration. Okay, so what is tan theta? Tan theta is 20 upon 5, this is equal to 4. Okay, tan theta equal to 4. Okay, so here initially velocity is 0, at a time equal to 5 second velocity is 20 meter per second. So velocity with time continuously increasing, so here is positive acceleration. So acceleration at 3 second is plus 4 meter per second square. Okay beta, next thing is what? Well, acceleration at 12 seconds. So here it will be the 12 will be the here will be 12. Okay beta, so initially at 10 second velocity is minus 10 meter per second square. At a time t is equal to 13, velocity is 0. Okay, velocity is 0 means velocity is minus 10 meter per second square. At time t is equal to 13 second, velocity is 0 meter per second. Okay, so continuously values are going into positive side. Okay, So what is there is theta, because theta at 12 second and theta is here, because there is constant graph, theta will be same. So here acceleration at t2 equal to 12 second, tan theta equal to what is perpendicular, what is the perpendicular, 10 upon 3, 3.33. Yeah. So acceleration at 12 second is plus 33 meter per second square. Okay beta, because velocity is minus 10, okay, and velocity is minus 10 going to be 0. Okay, so here we are just going to positive value side. Okay, so what is, we have calculated V number question. So what is the next C number question is, write down the AT graph. Okay, so here we will write AT graph. Okay beta, rub this one also, note it down, I am rubbing this one. Okay beta, so what is the AT graph? So draw here AT graph. This is t in second, here is acceleration in meter per second square. Okay beta, different time interval we have. Okay, in this time interval we have acceleration, earlier we have calculated 20 upon 5, 4 meter per second square. Okay, velocity initially is 0, after 5 seconds velocity is 20 meter per second. So velocity are increasing, means positive acceleration. Okay, 5 to 10 there is no change of velocity, here acceleration is 0. Okay, from 10 to 13 acceleration is, earlier we have calculated 10 upon 3 plus 3.33 meter per second square. Okay beta, okay. Next acceleration between 13 to 15, acceleration at 13 to 15 is, because velocity at 13 0 meter per second and after 15 second velocity is 20 meter per second here. So velocity is going to increase, so acceleration is positive side. So what will be the acceleration? Acceleration will be 20 upon 2, because this is 20 and this will be the 10 meter per second square. Okay beta, and what will be the acceleration for this graph? This graph acceleration will be 0, because here the constant velocity, so there is no rate of change of velocity, means acceleration is 0. Okay, next thing is, what is the acceleration of this one? So this one initially velocity is 20 and finally will be 0. So here is retardation. Okay, here is retardation. What is acceleration? Acceleration will be 20 upon 2. 20 upon 2, so write down 20 upon 2 is 10. Okay, but here is retardation, we can write negative sign, so minus 10 meter per second square. Okay, in different type of intervals we have different type of acceleration. So write down here. So here is 5 second, another is 10 second, another is 13 second, another is 15 second, another is 19 second, another is 21 second. Okay, here is minus 5, here is minus 10. Okay, here is 5, here is 10. Okay, so write down the graph. Between 0 to 5 second interval we have 4 meter per second square, so we can draw it here. This is the constant acceleration. Okay, within this region. Okay, 5 to 10, between interval of time 5 to 10 we have 0 acceleration, we have 0 acceleration. Okay beta, okay, between 10 to 13 second interval, between 10 to 13 second interval we have acceleration 3.33 means we have like this 3.33. okay beta, this type of between 10 to 13 second. okay, 10 to 13 second here, 10 to 13 second, 10 to 13 second. okay beta, between 13 to 15 second interval we have 10 meter per second square, 10 meter per second square. This one, this acceleration is 10 meter constant acceleration. okay beta, what is the time now? 15 to 19 is 0 acceleration, so here is 0 acceleration. okay beta, okay. For 19 to 21 we have minus 10 meter per second square, we have minus 10 meter per second square. okay beta, so this is the AT graph of this velocity time graph. okay beta, so this is the way we can calculate AT graph, we can calculate the acceleration, we can calculate the distance, we can calculate at any time acceleration what will be. okay, what will be the acceleration at any time. okay, so today class we have discussed all the things. okay beta, in next class we will discuss some another questions and 2D motion. okay beta, thank you for today, thank you.